everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we've got to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. This is a factory V-Code 446 pack car. I think it's one of 433 automatic V-Codes ever built. I can't say enough about this car, man. I absolutely love this car. I originally bought this car locally from a guy. He restored it. Actually, he bought the car in 2018. A buddy of his started the restoration on this car and just never got it finished. So he bought it and took it over the top. And this guy does beautiful work, man. I was in his shop. I mean, he's just a heck of a guy. I can't say enough about him. And this car is absolutely stunning. It's finished in velvet black. The original color was actually red. His buddy is the one who changed the paint. Gorgeous paint, man. This thing is laser straight down the sides. You can see it's got my favorite option ever on a Chrysler, the air grabber hood. Like I say, I cannot say enough about this car. To appreciate this car, you got to drive it, because this thing hits the road outstanding. You can see the chrome and stainless are in excellent shape. It's got the black performance hood striping with the hood pins, new bumpers. He's put the yellow inside lights on it. Gorgeous black paint, guys. I mean, this thing is just as straight as can be. You can see it's got the dust trail stripe, stock steel wheels. You can go ahead and open the hood, Neil. Black vinyl top. Glass is nice on the car. That's a new windshield. And I think the rest of the glass is actually factory. Saw a couple, yeah, there's a little stone peck, and there's, remind me on the other side, there's another little spot that you can pick at. Look how nice that back glass is. There's a little touch-up mark there. I think, if I remember, I think you said this car's got all the original panels except for the trunk pan. They put a new trunk pan in this car. God, this car is pretty. Everybody here loves this car too. That's just a little wax, guys. Matter of fact, my son is begging me to keep it. Man, I just can't keep all of them. Look how pretty that thing is down the sides. Goodyear Polyglas GT tires all the way around it. Those are 15. It's got the 15-inch steel wheels with the dog dish hubcaps. I'm not even a dog dish hubcap guy, and I love them on this car. It's got a great sounding Borla X-pipe dual exhaust system on it. Look at that car. Sits good. And again, you cannot believe the way this car drives. I actually sold this car to a buddy of mine a while ago, and he's had it, just traded it on a Hemi GTX I got. And I told him, because this car's manual steering, manual brakes, and I don't know what he did to it. You can put your wife behind the wheel and let her drive this thing. This car drives free and easy. All the suspension stuff is brand new. I know it's got a brand new gearbox on it, and it drives so free and easy. Again, it is a factory 446 pack V-Code car. This is actually a 68 block, so it's not matching numbers. I don't think the original drivetrain was ever with the car. Of course, it's got the 6-pack carbs and intake, stock exhaust manifolds. It's got electronic ignition. Car ran 12 sevens at the quarter mile just, 6 months ago? But he just completed, this car only has 1,000 miles on it on the drivetrain. I've got pictures of the car. If I could printed them out, put some in the trunk. Trans, rear, like I say, all the suspension components, he just did all that stuff. And again, it's manual steering, manual brakes, and I'm telling you, this thing, you You could not tell that. Mopar radiator, yes, the VIN number stamped on the core support, no trim tag. 727 Torqueflite automatic transmission. You can see this thing is detailed up. This guy did a beautiful restoration on this car. Bottom of this car is as nice as the top. I mean, look at the paint. See my bald head shining in it. I love the dust trail stripe. Little blemish there. I love this car, man. I will be sick when this car goes. Everybody here loves it. My detail guy, Dale, that's helped me out, he said, I'm not even a Mopar guy. And said, I love this car. Look how nice the A-pillar chrome is. Mirror's nice. I believe these are original. Car's only got 81,000 miles on it. And he said there's, well, I think there's 1,300 miles on the car now since it's been done. Interior's all new. It's got the black Deluxe, of course, bench seat. I've got the new Roadrunner mats coming. New carpet, new sill plates. You can see all those gauges are brand new. It's got all the correct seat belts. The seats have been all padded and refoamed. Steering wheel's very nice, little crack down there. Yeah, 81,298. Again, he went through all those gauges. Got an aftermarket Sun Pro tach, radio delete car. Again, it's got a stainless Borla dual exhaust system on it. 8 3/4, 391 Sure Grip. Beautifully done, man. Again, there's some photos of the rebuild. I've got those all digitally. Those will go with the car. I've also got the time slips. And it's all painted black in the trunk. Like I said, they did say that they put a new trunk pan in it. He said the actual, I think the car had the original paint on it, he said. It was originally a red car. Again, look how nice that car is underneath. Car just rolls down the road, doesn't shimmy, doesn't shake. Oh, not yet, like I say, stops on a dime. Yeah, this is a killer car, man. Somebody's getting a good one right here. Good, yeah. And you can pick those a little bit. Those are original. Glass is really nice. The fit and finish is excellent on the car. Check that belt. Not sure why it's doing that. Again, car ran 12 sevens right here in Midland, Michigan. I love that option right there. I think that's the coolest option ever put on an old car. 70, 71s. Battery charging hard or something? I've never heard that thing do that. Gauges are all functional. You can see it holds good oil pressure. Tach works. All the dash lights and everything work. Again, doors open and close real nice. Fit and finish is great. lock-on belt, man. I don't know what that thing's doing. Radio delete. The blower motor does work. Wipers are functional. Headlights. He's back to being a rookie again. Up front. I'll check it. Make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep track of us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to this YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.